What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video is going to be a very valuable video on how you can use the bullish or bearish engulfing as an entry point. Stick to this video, it won't take too long, and in the meantime feel free to comment, subscribe and like this video. And we're diving right into the video, guys. Let's get it. Hey guys, thank you so much for those who subscribe. For those who don't and just watching, then feel free to like it at least. But anyway, we get straight to the point, guys. And today's video, it won't be a strategy video. It's gonna be an entry, the way how you can enter a trade with bullish or bearish engulfing. It won't be. You can use any of your strategy. So let's jump right into the video, guys. In this particular case, what you can do three ways. First way, you can enter straight away and put the stop loss. That's like very risky way to trade, yeah. And usually you get like 1 to 3 risk to reward all the time if you're waiting for 75 level, yeah. That's the first type of entry. The second type of entry, you can enter you're waiting to the price to come to your 75 level, and then you're waiting for the bullish or bearish engulfing, vice versa, yeah. And you can also instantly, once the candle closed, you can put your stop loss beneath this low and targeting this one, which is going to be 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio, which is pretty awesome. It's actually awesome, yeah. And the third one, if you want to go for the bigger risk to reward, yeah, once this bullish or bearish engulfing is printed, yeah, you can just take this price action, get this toolbox, yeah, take this candle, put it like that, yeah, and wait. A lot of people on YouTube, they showing you 50%, but me, to be more conservative, I would tell you to put it on the 25, which is going to be like a small retracement, yeah. And from the 4 retracement is going to be 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. So it's a very simple concept, guys. It's nothing too heavy. You just have to have your 1 point of interest, 2, wait for the bullish or bearish engulfing to appear, and you can check literally any of your point of interest. You will see the price action. Whoever gets the bullish or bearish engulfing, it got higher probability that the trade is gonna work out, as long as you can know how to manage it. Yeah, guys. And this is the second scenario, yeah. The second scenario, what do we see here? The same stuff all over again. Huge push, yeah, break all the structure, yeah. I was waiting for the 75%. What you can do 3 things. Either you jumping in straight away to 1 to 3 risk to reward, yeah, so you don't have this FOMO like to losing a trade, yeah. The second way, what you can do, you can enter a trade right away when this bullish engulfing is formed, yeah, the price the stop loss below this low, and just targeting this this high, which is going to be 1 to 534, which is awesome. This is awesome risk to reward ratio. Either the first scenario, which I showed you previously, you can put it like that, yeah. In this case it came to the 50%, but I will suggest you to enter on the 25. The reason why is just because more often they will touch the 25% instead of 50, so you won't lose that many good trades, you know. So on this case, it's gonna be 6.5. Either the second one, the third one, what you can do, you can just wait for this candle to break above this candle, which is also a good entry, yeah. But as long is a bullish and bearish engulfing, yeah. Here in this case, the risk to reward is going to be 4.45. So anyway, cases is going to be above 3%, which is pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome, and I like this type of scenarios, yeah. This is the last one. It's a very beautiful trade, and also crazy push, crazy like break of structure, yeah. Pull back. What do we see here, guys? What do we see here? It literally touched the 75%, yeah. You could do 3 things. Either you enter straight away, either you just waiting to be more conservative, which is going to be the bullish, sorry, in this case it's bearish engulfing, yeah. What do we have here, guys? We do have, you can enter straight away, put the stop loss above, target below, yeah. 4.81 is beautiful, beautiful. You can wait for the break of the candle, yeah, which is going to be 4.8, something like that. Yeah, it's like 5R. And the last scenario, what you can do, you can just take this tool, yeah, how I showed, put it like that, and enter on the 25%. You see the reason why? Because sometimes you won't have put the stop loss above and targeting those lows, yeah. It's going to be 6.88. Obviously, that's a picky and random scenarios, but the reason why I'm showing you that, guys, is just because so you can pay attention how to manage your trades, and you can just try it out on your strategy, on your own strategy. I'm not telling you to use my strategy, I'm just telling you to use your strategy. So, but just to implement this bullish and bearish engulfing, that's nice. That's nice. It's very beautiful. Works perfectly, as long you staying consistent and very disciplined. Because sometimes you're just seeing some crazy stuff before getting to the 75%, and you're trying to jump in too early. So that's gonna affect your trading. And yeah, guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and see you guys in the next video, because I'm gonna share with you risk to reward, all the good stuff that I know. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the next video. Peace and love. I'm out.